Check out this. My favorite thing is a ton of snow. Oh yeah, winter is here. Look at this snow we're getting today. This is just the start of things. It's a cold and frosty day at the lake. Anyways, we're gonna try something a little different this year. I'm gonna get rid of these typical gloves and keep my hands warm. I've got these KEMIMOTO heated gloves. I'm gonna give them a shot this year and see how well they work, keep my hands warm. Let's see what's in the box here. So they come with a battery. I was reading, charge up. Let's check these out. Wow, these are nice. They feel very thick, durable so far. I don't even, without the heat, they feel like a typical warm winter glove. They feel great with the hands, your finger movement. Oh, you got these rubber things here to squeegee off your visor if you get snow on it. And you got a little storage pocket here, I would assume. Fit really well. Got protection here. Obviously I didn't charge the battery yet. I'm gonna do that and give it a shot, see how the battery life is on these, see how much hours we get, see the heat. Got another pocket here. What I really like about them is the way you can still move your hands. So when you're grabbing the handlebars, you can move the throttle, hit the brake, you have full control of the switches. No problem here. There we go, KEMIMOTO heated gloves. What else is in here? You got the owner's manual. And this has to be the charging or the battery. There's a charging port, 1 battery, 2 battery. Oh, I see here. So these must go right in here. Yep, there we go. Very simple. And see, no instructions for me. Plug that in and off to the races. Awesome. Let's give this a charge and see how well they work. Okay, let's get these batteries all charged up. Comes with a USB. Quick charge here. So as they're charging, these are flashing to indicate that it's charging. I'm sure it'll be all solid when they're full. These might have a little charge already, but I'll do a test to see how long it takes to charge a full battery. There we go. Okay, that was quick. I think it came charged slightly from the factory. I'm excited to give this a shot. Let's see. So you got a pouch here. Plug it in there. Okay, and you got your on and off button there. Let's see how these work. Okay, gloves are actually cold. I left them outside for the charge. Oh, I see. Here's the power button. So, yeah, hold it on. Hold this one on. Full blast. First thing I notice is you don't really feel the battery in the glove. That's a good thing. It's down below here. Only if I really wanted to, I can feel it. Anyways, let's go get the plow set up and see how long. Oh, I already feel this thing warm. Wow. I bet you I can turn it down. Oh. And it looks like there's 3 levels. I'll read the instructions after. So high, medium, low. High, medium, low. Let's give this a shot. I just want to take a break from my day and give you an update on these gloves. Like I've been using them all day. It's pretty cold and snowy out here, and usually I just wear regular gloves. And the first thing I notice is I don't need to put my handlebar warmers on. Like not all my machines have handlebar warmers, but my hands are nice and toasty. I usually, my thumb kind of freezes up. With this, everything feels good. So heat-wise, it's been outstanding. Like it's okay. It's been on for, I just noticed this now. I went to 3 bars. It's been on for at least 4 hours, full blast, and I lost 1 bar out of 4. So far so good for battery life. Actually, more than I can imagine. And the other thing I have to mention is just the quality of this. I kind of wasn't expecting it to be like this, but the fit and finish is really, really good. Like the fingers feel good in it. It feels, like well made. I know it is my first day using it, and I really have to give it the test of time. But compared to all the other different manufacturer of gloves I've been using, I cannot tell the difference quality-wise. They fit really good. I can move the fingers well. I can grab onto the throttle, the brake, no problem. Typical well-made winter glove, and the heat is just an absolute bonus. I'm gonna have to rub it into everyone that has cold hands in the winter and tell them to get a pair of these KEMIMOTO heated gloves. Now back to plowing. Oh yeah.
Let's do that one more time.
Well, I got a full day out of these KEMIMOTO heated gloves, and I gotta tell you, my hands are so comfortable. They're warm and they're dry. That's the main thing. I really enjoyed using them. Like, one thing to keep you outdoors is being comfortable. If your hands are cold, and you're not going to want to be out there. Did a full day, chopped some wood, had a fire, but we rode some ATVs, side by sides, had a snowball fight also. I'll give this another review, a full season, because I know one thing, I'm not easy on gloves. Like, using them on the ATVs and snowmobiles is one thing, but fixing machines, getting them oily and greasy in the winter, that will really determine the quality of these things. Check out later for a full season review, but for now, I'm warm and toasty. Catch you next time.